Hi guys, today I'm going to share two DIY projects that I'm working on for my daughter's birthday. Here's the first one. She's turning 2 and she's having a Cinderella party theme. There's the first one, and then here's the second one right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with what you'll need. You're going to need spray glue. So I got this spray glue here from Elmer's. You can get any type of spray glue. I also got glitter, gold glitter, and this dimensional fabric paint. So I got all of this from Walmart. I did get poster board from the dollar store. So this is just regular dollar store poster board. And you'll also need scissors, a pencil, and then I did do a little cutout for my little window on my carriage. So what I did is I used a dinner plate. I used a dinner plate to draw a larger circle, and then I found a smaller circle item and made the wheels with that, and I ended up with a Minnie Mouse head or a Mickey head. And once I was done with that, I spray painted it with gold spray paint. As you can see, it's pretty shiny and metallic-y. I used the Rust-Oleum gold paint from Walmart, and it is pretty inexpensive. I don't have that here, but that is what I used. That is also what I used for my pumpkin. So after I spray painted my little Mickey head gold,
what I did on my first one, this is the first one I did, I sprayed the glue on here and then sprinkled the glitter on it. And once I did that, I used that dimensional paint and just kind of drew little markings on it to make it look more like a pumpkin and make the wheels look more like a carriage. But I didn't really like this because, as you can tell, it looks kind of taupe, it looks kind of tan. It's not, this part here, it looks more glittery. It just wasn't even, I just didn't really like this one, so I'm going to go over it with a spray, the glue spray, and then sprinkle some more glitter on it.
And then this is my final one. This is how I'm going to do all the rest of my little Mickey heads, or soon to be Cinderella carriages. And so as you can see here, what I did is I just sketched out the little markings I was going to do on here. And I went over the markings with that dimensional fabric paint. And once I did that, what I did was I sprayed the glue on here and sprinkled, just kind of went like this for like maybe 5 to 10 seconds so it would get tacky, and sprinkled the glitter on here, just making sure that it was as sparkly as I wanted it to be and that everything I wanted to be covered was covered. So as you can see, different from the other one, this one is actually very sparkly. It's very gold. It looks like it's part of the paper. So I really like that. You can't see the different taupe color. I just really like this one. And so this is that first DIY. I guess you could kind of tell more if I move out of the light. You can really see what it looks like. And so that's my final one, and that's how I'll do the other ones. I do have four more to go, and then I am gonna go over this one with more glitter. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna use them yet. I was thinking of putting a little wood skewer on it and then just using it on a little piece of that flower styrofoam, and then just kind of, you know, making it stand, be it part of the centerpieces, or I don't know, I'll find a use for it. But I just really wanted to get some carriage stuff, and I wasn't really able to find anything, so there's that. And then here's my second DIY, and this is that pumpkin. And so what I did is I did have this old trick-or-treat Halloween pumpkin. So it's actually a pumpkin, a trick-or-treating pumpkin. And so it's a little jack-o'-lantern. And I just spray painted it gold and turned it around this way so you can't see the face. So that the face will be, you know, facing the back towards the wall, so you won't be able to see that. And I bought this first set here of flowers at Walmart, and this set was $5, so it's this whole first little bunch of flowers here. And then this one, this hydrangea right here, was $3 at Walmart. And so okay, so this is the pumpkin by itself. It's just a regular, it was a regular orange pumpkin. As you can see, it's pretty ugly inside, but that doesn't matter. And I might just go over it with I'll just go over with another coat of gold glitter, and that's just because I did spray paint this and used it for my fall decorations, and so that's been there for a while. I just remember I had it, and so I decided to do this. And so
then this is that hydrangea I was talking about. It was $3 at Walmart. So there's that. I think you can see the price tag right there. It's $3. And so I just put that there. And then this is that other really pretty flower bouquet. And this one's $5. Right there, $5. Also from Walmart. And so then I just put this also. I didn't put any kind of styrofoam or anything. They just kind of work. And so I just kind of fix it. And just pull this one a little higher. Kind of pull this little back flower. And just kind of make it look like it's all one part. And obviously, I'll fix it and just kind of give it more shape later on. And so then that's what that looks like.
And I do want to cut like a Cinderella silhouette, and also stick it on a skewer, and then stick it like right about here. And then that way we have like a Cinderella coming out, like a Cinderella silhouette coming out of the pumpkin. And that way it looks more, obviously more Cinderella-y. So these are the 2 DIYs that I have done so far. And if I do any more DIYs for her birthday, I'll make sure to update you guys and post another video. All right, and there you have it. My 2 DIYs for my daughter's 2nd birthday, which, by the way, her actual theme is Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, Catherine Turns 2. All right, so this is it for my 2 DIYs. There's that pumpkin with the blue flowers and the Mickey Mouse turned into Cinderella carriage. So I will keep uploading videos. I hope you guys keep watching. I hope you guys like them, and hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel. And I also do want to say that I did get inspiration for these 2 DIYs from Pinterest. So go on there, find some stuff you like and make it your own, and just kind of play around with the stuff you see there. Don't be afraid to try any DIYs. And thank you guys for watching.